guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today, since we're really close to Christmas, is I wanted to show you, if you didn't know, that you could use printable vinyl. You can make gift tags with the printable vinyl, and I'm going to be making some with the printable vinyl. I'm going to make the gift tags, then I'm going to make some just out of cardstock. And you can even make those little stamps like you put on your envelopes. So it'd be the same principle if it would be any other day, but you can do it for Christmas. Now, I'm not going to make the stamps, but you can do it the same way I'm going to make the gift tags. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and I'm going to go to New Project, circle with the plus, and click on that. And I've been working on something, so that's why that popped up. And that will put us on to our canvas. Now, to find these images, all you have to do, there's two ways you can do it. First, just click on images. You can go up here to the right top corner where it says cartridges and type in Christmas gift tags, and then all these will pop up. They have a lot of pretty ones, but I thought these were really cute. Now, some of these really aren't gift tags, but some of them, as you can see, are. But I thought these were so cute, so I chose these right here, okay? But, so if you wanted to make that, let's just say I haven't already been working on it, I would click on that, then go down to the right bottom corner, insert images, and you'll see when you click on it, this green line appears. You do have to be an Access member, and everyone subscribed to Cricut Access gets the same images. I had someone ask me that once before. Then go down to the right bottom corner, insert images. That will put it on our canvas. Then I also want to go to images, and then right here, just click over here to get it off of cartridges. At the right top corner, we were at cartridges. Now we're going to click to images, and in that search box, we're just going to type in Christmas gift tags, okay? And you'll see all these tags will come up. Some of them are not tags, but some of them are. And I thought these would be so cute, so I want to do those. Now, where did I find those stamps? It was either in the, I think it was in the cartridges that I found the stamps, or it might have been in here. I'm not sure, but just look through there and you'll find them, and it's so easy. So now what we want to do is go down to the right bottom corner, insert images, and that will put that on our canvas as well, okay? So now you'll see over here in the right side in the layers panel that both is a cut then print, both of them, and that's what we want, okay? So we're going to click on this. We're going to go up here to the lock, and your Cricut will print anything that's 6.75 by 9.25. And then I'm just going to lock the lock back, and then that will be, these are the ones that I'm going to use the, you could do this with the printable vinyl, but I'm going to use the cardstock for this. I thought it would be cute to maybe put on some packages with a hole punch a hole through. I think it would be cute. Now, and if you get it to where you get it the wrong size, it won't print. A little, looks like almost like a exclamation point, but in yellow, will pop up right here, and it'll tell you that you have to change your size, okay? So now I'm going to click on this one, same thing, go up to the top, unlock it, 6.75 by 9.25, okay, and lock that back. Now we have both of them set up. Now we're just going to go to make it, right top corner. It'll sort it onto our mats, and you will see we're going to use 2 mats, okay? Now the first one that we're going to cut is going to be made of cardstock, so I need to put my computer on cardstock. I need to put my Cricut on cardstock. Okay, and you don't want to mirror your image or anything, and we're just going to go to continue right bottom corner. Now when you load your paper in your printer, make sure that if you don't want this to be with the printable vinyl, you put your cardstock in first because the vinyl will come in second. So we're going to hit continue right bottom corner, then we're going to hit send to printer. Okay, and I'm going to leave the bleed on this in case it goes off of the lines a little bit. When it cuts it, it'll be seamless. And I'm just going to hit print. And now the next time you see me, we will be taking a look and cutting out these really cute gift tags. Okay, this is the printable vinyl that I was telling you about. And this is just a Silhouette brand that I got at Michael's, but it works just fine. Now there is a shiny side and a dull side. So I don't know how your printer is, but I have to load mine. You don't want to print on the shiny side. If you do, your ink will smear. It won't dry. So you want to load it. I have to load mine upside down with the shiny side up because you want to print on this duller side, okay? So I wanted to make sure that I showed you that. Okay, so here are really cute designs that were cut out on the cardstock, and you could get heavier cardstock and be really, really cute. So now I just have my standard grip mat right here. Going to put it on it, and then hit the blinking arrow to insert and the blinking C to cut. And right now it's reading the registration lines. And what it's going to do is you're going to print one and then cut it. So, and you'll have to change if you're going like I am, I'm switching back and forward, then we'll have to adjust our Cricut. After we're through with the cardstock, we'll have to put it on vinyl for our printable vinyl. But there's so many things you could do with this. You could, naturally for Christmas, I mean, it'd be gorgeous. You could even use these for shaker cards. They would be gorgeous. Pocket letters, anything like that. You could even, if you didn't want to do it for Christmas, you could do Valentine's, you could do anniversaries, birthdays, or if you're just known for, you know, sending these really cute cards or anything like that, you could do that. Or you could put these on a heavier cardstock and just attach them to your gift. I think it would be so cute. Or maybe make some cookies and put that with it. The possibilities are truly endless with what you could do with this. So when this gets through cutting this one out, I'll be back and we'll do the next one. Okay, so now we're ready to do the second one. So we need to switch our Cricut to vinyl. And then we're going to send it to the printer. And we're going to leave the bleed, and you'll see this is our second one, and we're going to hit print. And I just went ahead and loaded in there like I told you earlier. I did the cardstock first and then the printable vinyl. Okay, the next time you see me, we will be cutting out these really cute little gift tags using printable vinyl. Okay, we'll just eject it by clicking on the blinking arrow. And this is what we have all cut out. It's so cute. And since these are really basically like stickers, I'm going to leave them on here, and then I can just peel it back and it's sticky and put it on anything. And it's not going to come off or anything. But you know, if you put it on the shiny side, it will smear. But this, it won't. So I hope you enjoyed this little video on making tags with your Cricut using printable vinyl or cardstock. And I'd like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in a little bit. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye guys.